Hi everyone! We bought a new bed frame from Muji. Yeah, they just delivered to our house. We need to assemble it by ourselves. Hopefully it's not too difficult. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes. Fine. It's not easy to do it by yourself. You need another person to help you, okay? Wow, the way the package is amazing. They put pieces of wood on each corner to protect from being damaged. And inside of this box is headboard, so I'm gonna put it away for now and keep going. This one is the top part of the bed frame. Oh, because it's a storage bed, so this one is kind of the lid of the storage. And the rest of these two boxes are drawers. Well, this is another piece of lid. Okay, the same thing. They put a lot of cushioning materials inside. Next one is also a drawer. Alright, we just unboxed everything. Before we start, I'm gonna time it. Let's see how much time we're gonna spend to build this bed. Whoa, there's an interesting thing. Inside of drawers, they put a couple of stoppers to stop drawers slide up. Interesting. Oh, it comes with a tool set and instruction book. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Just follow the step by step and I think we'll be fine. Alright, we made our drawers. Next, let's build out the frame together. It's really easy, right? But you know what? The truth is, unboxing is way harder than assembling them. So if you want to buy a Muji bag, make sure you have a space to unbox everything. I'm a really good helper, right? After building up these frames, what we need to do is just put those lids on, like this. Done! Alright, let's see how much time we spent. Wow, it's not even 1 hour. It's really easy, right? And yeah, also we don't have the mattress to fit this king-size Muji bed. Because Muji bed, they use their certain size of mattress. And in North America, they don't sell this product yet. Yeah, in general, I really like this bed frame. If we have the proper size mattress, that would be perfect. Look how nice these drawers are. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!